Their three are very different. Thiago is more of a thinker, more organizing, more like midfielder. Thiago is a playmaker, assist provider, game controller. Mateo is more of a striker. He is like to score goal. He likes to stay close to the goal, but the truth is that he is very intelligent to play. And Ciro is more explosive, more in charge, more 1vs1, more making his own plays. And well, in this regard, all three of them very different.
En ese sentido sí que son los tres muy diferentes.